Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Juvia's Place liquid blushes, you guys, and they come in a variety of shades. So I'm going to be reading to you what's the claim on these Juvia's Place blushes. Let's take a look. I have two shades. I have Marigold and Sweet Berry, you guys. I never had a purple blush, so I really wanted to try a purple blush, you guys. I don't know why my lips look like this. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, so you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss a video, okay? Like, we're really about to try these blushes. I've been waiting forever to try these blushes, y'all. Okay, so the claims to be on this blushes is Juvia's Place. Our lightweight, multi-use liquid blushes creates effortless radiance and a dewy finish for cheeks. Highly blendable, this pigment cream formula hydrates the skin with vitamin E and natural looking glow. This blush is cruelty-free, vegan, and made without gluten. Okay, so Juvia, you did your thing again. I used the purple blush, you guys, already, but I will swatch both of them for you guys if you're thinking about getting Marigold or Sweet Berry. So I'm gonna swatch Sweet Berry now for you. Come on, they always do it with the packaging every time, you guys. Every time. Like, let's get into it. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand right here, on my clean hand, this hand, and I'm gonna give her a nice little swatchy for you all. Okay, so it's very lightweight and it's like a radiant blush, just like the natural radiant foundation, you guys. Okay, so that was Sweet Berry I had right here. And now we're going to swatch Marigold. Marigold, I just got her, and she is going with the look today. So we're going to be using her, and I'm going to be testing her out for you guys. So look at Marigold. Ooh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I'm swatching my... Okay, so let's try her on right now. Maybe that's too much, but ooh, we gonna see. So maybe I could have did berries too. Maybe I'll do berry in the back, y'all. Okay, so let's blend her out and see what she's looking like. Okay. Don't be afraid to blend it out right next to your under eye. Oh, she pretty. She really pretty. She really pretty. I might just want to put some on. You know, we don't want to waste products, so we might as well use the one that's in the back of our hand. Okay. Yes, more. Ooh, but this really do not go with my look like that. I feel like it don't. Comment down below if you think this go with my makeup look. And excuse my chair, it's like missing a screw on it, so it's like squeaking all the time. But come on, Marigold, come on. Like, Marigold is definitely giving what it should have gave. Okay, make sure you want to dab a little bit on her nose, but I want to try Sweet Berry like right here, just a little dab, like that much. Ooh, sorry, I'm sorry, y'all. So we're just gonna put some. Ooh, maybe I OD, y'all. Maybe I went a little blush crazy. Okay, so we put sweet berries on the end. And now we're gonna take a wet, damp sponge and we're just gonna blend her out, y'all. We're gonna blend her out. And it's very buildable, just like it says. It's giving me a glow, like a radiant glow. You know, it's not picking up anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend her out. Ooh, I don't even think you can see Marigold no more. Sweet berries done did it. Sweet berries done did it. Oh, it's too much. Oh my god. Okay, but yeah. Let me do my makeup and come back and tell y'all how I feel about this blush. Cause you know I'm a blush girl. We the blush girls. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so my final thoughts on this new Juvia's Place blush, you guys. It fell, oh my god. Okay, so the new Juvia's Place blushes, y'all. Let me just tell y'all, 10 out of 10. You hear me? Not sponsored. No connection to them anyway. I just literally love their products. 10 out of 10. So you guys, go to Ulta and pick you up one. Go to juviasplace.com and pick you up one, because these is really giving. And I mixed both of these together, you guys. It's definitely have a dewy finish. What can I tell y'all about this? It definitely have a dewy finish, you guys. It's just, I don't know, it just blends like a dream. It's not too much pigment, but just enough. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like this right here. Let's get a zoom in, because Juvia. Y'all outdid yourself. Okay, like OMG, y'all. All this this makeup look I did is gonna be in a short, you guys. Go check my shorts out. Go check my shorts out and go run through them, you guys. I have a lot of shorts out there, and yeah, like, go watch my shorts. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. On this videos, I use the P. Louise. I said this video. Today's look, I use the P. Louise Blend Away palette and the Juvia Zulu palette for the yellow, you guys, and the P. Louise bases to cut the crease. It ate. So I'm so happy. I don't think I'm gonna buy any more. Ooh, that's my fan, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm hot. When I do my makeup, I be sweating. But I don't think I'm gonna buy any more, because I have so much blushes, you guys. It's not gonna make sense. So I just picked up these two because I feel like I don't have purple and I need like an orange that's gonna really pop. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I got this, and I have so much blushes. So this is gonna be my last two of the Juvia's Place blushes, you guys. They are $18, I believe, or $16. I think it's $16 for them, you guys. And it lasts 12 months, but you know I'm gonna make it 12 years. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Lip is by Morphine and the Virtuous Beauty Company, and She Glam, because I put some lip oil on it. It ate. Okay, so yeah, you could go cop this blushes. I'm not no influencer. They did not pay me to say this, you guys. This is literally out my pockets. And I love it. It was the best decision I ever made. Don't forget to subscribe.